Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. Today we'll be making a recipe which is loved by one and all. It's called Palak Paneer. Let's start by blanching the spinach. For that we'll add water to the kadai. We'll wait till it comes to a boil. The water has come to a boil. Let's add some salt to it. Let's add the spinach to the water. We are just going to blanch it for a minute. The spinach is nicely blanched. We'll add it to a ice bowl. We'll strain the spinach and puree it now. The whole idea of dropping the spinach into a bowl of ice water is to give it a shock treatment. This helps to retain its vibrant green color. So now let's strain the spinach and grind it. Our pre-prep is done. So now let's begin with the sabji. I'm adding a little bit of butter to the pan, and to prevent the butter from burning, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to add some garlic, some finely chopped green chillies. Let's give it a quick stir. I'm going to add some kasuri methi. This gives a wonderful flavor to our palak paneer. Give it a quick mix. Next goes in some finely chopped onions. I'm going to cook the onions till they turn translucent. The onions look done. I'm going to add some tomatoes to it. Let's cook the tomatoes till they turn soft and mushy. The tomatoes are nicely done. Now let's add the spices. Jeera powder, dhania powder, haldi powder, red chili powder, garam masala. Let's give it a mix. Now let's add some salt. Mix it once more. And now we'll add the star ingredient, the pureed spinach. Let's mix this up. I'm not going to cook the spinach for a long time as we had already blanched it. So now in goes the paneer. This is the consistency we want. Now let's add some fresh cream. Give it a gentle mix so that the paneer cubes do not break. We don't need to cook it for a long time now. This is done. So now let's plate it. Let's garnish it up with some fresh cream. You can have this palak paneer with fresh hot chapatis or fulkas or parathas or even steamed rice. So do give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section how it turned out.